Hello, my friend. As you probably know, affiliate commissions are some of the fastest ways to start earning income online right now. And there's a couple of reasons for that. One is because you don't have to create your own products. You don't have to create the sales pages. You don't have to create all the content necessarily for you to actually be able to start making some money. All you need is an affiliate link, and you begin to share that with other people. You can start earning commissions. Well, in this video, I want to talk to you about how you can take those affiliate commissions and turn them into passive income. And if you stick around to the end, I've got a special bonus for you. So let's get started. All right, thanks for sticking around, my friend. Bob Brown here. Hey, if you are an active subscriber, I want to say welcome back. If you are new to my channel, big shout out to you. Thanks again for stopping by. Really appreciate you checking out the channel and watching my videos. It means a lot to me. Also, if you're a network marketer and you're looking for more tips, tools, and training to leverage social media to build your network marketing business, then you're in the right place. And if you want to get more videos like this, all you need to do is smash that subscribe button. Go ahead and click on the bell notification. That way you're going to get notified every time I put out a new video that's going to help you to build your network marketing business. Again, we're talking about passive income on this channel. And so today we're actually covering that particular topic. And so if you're interested in passive income, I've got the link below this that you can actually check it out and see my passive income making machine that I'm using to create income on a consistent basis. So let's go ahead and jump into this video right now, and we're going to talk to you about how you can actually turn your affiliate commissions into a passive income and add another revenue stream to your total wealth. So let's get at it. Okay, my friends, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to turn your affiliate commissions into passive income to give you more money in your pockets over the long haul. So that's what this video is all about. Now, for most of you that are watching this, you know, we talk a lot towards network marketers. I'm a network marketer myself. And so as a network marketer, you probably know this, that it takes anywhere from 2 to 5 years to begin to build your business, to grow your business, to actually start earning some substantial revenue in that. And so one of the best ways to continue to earn money on a consistent basis is through affiliate marketing and what we call our today money. Okay, so we have our future money that's going to be built up in our network marketing businesses, but this way we can actually start earning money today and putting that revenue in our pocket. Okay, and the cool thing about finding an affiliate product that actually is a monthly recurring product will actually become passive income for you. So on a regular basis, you will be actually putting money into your bank account. Okay, so, and this is what we call multiple streams of income. We want to be putting multiple streams of income into our bank accounts, okay, to begin to grow our net wealth. And so that's one of the key ways to do that, but finding good products to be able to do that. Again, as I mentioned, I'm a network marketer, and so I'm actually always looking for products that are going to help other network marketers to build their business, to grow their business, to brand themselves as authorities in the marketplace. So finding those right products to be able to do that with is really important. So I came across this particular product here, which I thought was very, very good for network marketers because it has all the tools on the inside to actually help them to build and to grow their business. And I'm going to walk you through really what this particular product can do, show you that, and then show you how you can actually turn a one-off commission into a passive income stream through this particular affiliate marketing product. So let's go ahead and jump into this. Builderall is the actual product that we're looking at. It's a great way for you to actually begin to earn affiliate commissions and build your business at the same time using this particular product. So one of the things that Builderall says right on their main page is turn your $1 million idea into $1 million business. And again, we're talking about building our businesses, so this is a great way to do that. So right here with their tagline, Builderall is basically saying this: Builderall helps entrepreneurs and businesses who want to quickly bring their ideas to life with the most complete digital online business builder and marketing platform on the web. So again, we're talking about network marketing, a great way to actually use the tools that are within this product to be able to build your business for one, and then you can actually earn commissions from it for two and make those commissions passive, which is even better for that. So let me just give you just kind of a quick overview here of what this particular product is going to do. And I'm going to take you in my back office and kind of show you specifically what you get when you jump into a product like Builderall. I think Builderall really gets it. They recognize the importance of needing to help marketers network marketers, online marketers to build a business online. And so they've actually provided the right tools to be able to do that with. And so as we look at this, we're talking about getting digitally empowered. And this is what the Builderall enables the client to be able to do. And so they're talking about start building something incredible here. And one of those things is the fact that it's more than a website, it's to build a business. Now, everybody knows that in order to build a business online, you need to brand yourself as the authority. The best way to do that is by having a website that's going to be able to do that. And so they talk about, in the real estate world, location is everything. Well, having a piece of that real estate location on the internet is very important if you're going to build your business. And so this is one of the areas that they're actually able to cover. And, their websites can be smarter, they're faster, but the biggest thing is that the site can make you more money. And so we're going to talk a little bit about that, but you can actually take this particular platform and use it to actually build your business by creating websites for local marketers and other businesses as well. And I'll talk to you a little bit about that just in a sec. So now they talk about the website can be faster. So one of the key things is a lot of times not only the website's faster, but actually how you can actually build your website and get it up and running much faster. And this is really, really important. Being able to set up the Facebook pixel, Google Analytics directly in your websites there as well. So they have that all set up inside the Builderall process as you're building your actual website. The other cool thing is email marketing and professional automation is a key tool inside of Builderall. Now, for most of you that know that email marketing is huge in order to be able to build the list, to be able to market your products and services to people on a long-term basis, to build those relationships that help you to become the authority, what we call the KLT factor, the know, like, and trust factor. And so that's done through email automation, and there's that inside here as well. So there's the other thing is the sales machines and how you actually set this up. You can actually set up sales funnels through this particular product. So great opportunity to be able to use the tools in here to begin to build and brand you as authority and the business. The other cool thing is that you can actually increase your sales with webinars. So they have the ability to set up webinars within the platform as well. So that's a couple things. We're going to go ahead and jump in here. There's a lot of things in here, but I wanted to take you into the back office and kind of show you some of what's going on here. So this is my back office here, and this is what's on the inside. When you actually sign up for Builderall, and you can actually sign up for a free account to try it out to see how it works for you. And I'll leave the links below this video for you to be able to do that. And as I mentioned before, there is going to be a bonus. So if you stick around to the end of this, I've got a bonus for you that you can get as well. So as you come in here, the Builderall platform, the drag and drop is a drag and drop to make it very simple to actually create all that you're doing here on this. And so I want to show you both the website side of this and the funnel side of this really, really quickly. And so this has a number of website templates that you can actually use to begin to build and brand yourself. Okay, so all these different templates that are in here. And one of the cool things, as I mentioned before, with the Builderall platform is that it gives you the ability, let's say you want to become a website builder and you want to offer that to local businesses or other businesses as well. Well, they've got plenty of templates in here for you to be able to do that with. So there's templates for beauty, for band, for limousine services, ebooks, free ebooks, health and beauty salons. So whatever you want. There's even YouTube thumbnail templates in here. So that's pretty cool. So there's a lot of different stuff that you could actually set up websites for and then be able to offer your services and your products to other people through your website. So that's what a website, there's all these different categories here. So you have business, health, wellness, events, music, fashion, beauty. So photography, again, just a ton of different types of templates that you can actually set up very, very quickly to begin to build your business. The next thing is the sales funnels here. Now, sales funnels are really key because most business that is done online today is done through some sort of a sales funnel. So having a sales funnel to be able to actually walk people, step people through that process, to begin to actually capture their information, their lead. So you want to capture that lead and then begin that process of relationship building by drip feeding them some more information, getting them through that funnel, and hopefully on the other side of that to be able to get them to come out as a customer or a client of yours. And that's really how sales funnels work. So they have a ton of different sales funnels that you can actually set up. So there's a video sales letter. the invisible funnel, product launches, if you want to do product launches, membership funnels. So there's a bunch of different ones, lead magnet funnels. Again, leads are the lifeblood of your business. And so being able to set up lead magnet funnels are very, very important. And this is just a way to be able to do that as well. So there's live demo funnels, surveys, auto webinar funnels, as we talked about before. You can actually set up webinars in here. So as you can see, there are just a ton of different sales funnels that are available to you, and very easy to actually set these things up as well. So the next thing I want to talk to you about is I mentioned the fact that they have an autoresponder. Okay, so this is really cool too. Is it's actually built into the platform here, and you can actually use their autoresponder to begin your email marketing platform. Okay, to be able to get in here, to set up your emails, to set up your sequences that can go out on a consistent basis as you bring those leads in. So that's important. Lead capture is key to building a successful business, and as you do that, okay, then you have an autoresponder built into the Builderall platform that's actually now going to build that relationship for you on a long-term basis. So really a great tool that's just inside here as well. So that's the email marketing. I want to show you a couple things. There's design that you can do, but this is a really cool one here that I wanted to show you. And this is for videos. You know, video marketing is huge right now. And so you can actually create, let's say you wanted to do video marketing, you wanted to do it for local businesses or different clients, you could actually do that real quick here. And this is pretty cool because you can actually do these animated videos that will come out. I want to show you this real quick. Take a look at this, how this actually works. Let's see if we can get this to start. There we go. Let's see if it'll walk it through. There it is. So you can create animated videos for different markets, whether it be for your network market, your own business, network marketing, or if you want to actually set up a video marketing business where you're actually going to create videos for local businesses, you can actually do that with this particular platform right here. So that's a pretty cool tool that's inside of here as well. So as I mentioned before, there's also webinars that you can actually set up in here. So this will help you to actually start your webinar business and be able to set it up and start doing webinars is a great way to begin to build authority in the marketplace as well. And you're seeing more and more webinars and how products are being sold through webinars. So you can actually set up your own webinars through Builderall as well. Now Builderall also has a ton of tools and training, tutorials on not only how to use the Builderall platform, but also how to build your business through marketing. And so they have a ton of training in the marketing side of that too that's going to help you to actually build your business as well. So what I really wanted to get to is, because we're talking about passive income and turning your commissions into a passive income, one of the ways to be able to do that, again, is to find a product that has a recurring monthly payment to it. And again, as most network marketers or online marketers are using tools like this. They're using hosting. They're paying for hosting. They're paying for autoresponders. They're paying for email marketing. All of these things that they're paying for are kind of built into this, and so those are all monthly recurring. And so Builderall's put all that into one package, and it is a monthly recurring payment for all of these things, but the one thing that Builderall has done is they've made it a two-tier commission structure. Yes, it's an affiliate product, but it's a two-tiered affiliate product, and that enables you to actually create or even double your commissions or your income on a long-term basis because of the way that it's structured. So not only do you get paid one time up front, but you're going to get paid on a monthly basis because it's a reoccurring commission in this. So let me just show you one of the things that they've done here is they've actually built in a earnings calculator, which is really cool because, again, if you want to get to a goal, let's say you have a specific goal to get to that you want to start earning every month. Let's say it's, for this example, we're going to use, let's say it's $1,500. You want to make $1,500 a month. And I'm going to show you really quickly how you can actually do that by using this particular system. And so, it doesn't take a lot of people and sharing this product with to actually be able to start building some substantial income on a monthly basis with this. And so this product here, again, it sells
for $49 a month. It's a monthly reoccurring subscription. And then if you actually share this with 10 people, now again, what it says here to be able to do this on the earnings calculator, how many licenses can you sell in a year? I want you to think about long term and what you're doing here. So the guy that introduced me to this spent a year in doing this, and he actually is made over 6 figures in that year building this business up, and it was an incredible process. And he actually documents it all, and that's part of the bonus that I'm going to give you. I'm going to give you his funnel that's going to help you to actually begin to build your business using the Builderall platform if you stick around to the end. I'll show you how to get that. So right here, if we were to just say, listen, this is a year, can you do 10 licenses in a year? Okay, so if you were to actually do 10 licenses over the course of a year, which we're not going to even think about that, we're going to do a lot more than that. But let's say we're going to do that in a month. Let's say if you did 10 licenses in 1 month, and then you were to share this product with 10 people, and you're going to earn $499, but you're also going to begin to earn $149 a month on a recurring passive income. So that's the good thing about this. You're already starting to earn monthly on this. Now let's build that up. If you brought those 10 people in and shared this product with them, they love Builderall. They said, man, I love this product. I love how it works. Now I want to share this with some people that I know that can use this as well. And they go out there. Okay, and let's say 10 of those people, let's say you got lucky and all 10 of those people actually went out there and shared this product with somebody else. Okay, so you've got 10 people that are going to do this, and they went out there and did the exact same thing that you did, and they sold 10 of these products. So look at this right now. So with just 10 people that you brought into this that have duplicated your efforts on this, and they get out and do the same thing, you'll get your immediate earnings will still be $499, but you're going to start earning over $1,600 a month recurring revenue from this. And so this is just a great way to begin to put money in your pocket, another stream of income that's coming in. Now you can put these numbers in here, and this can get crazy. Let's say if you were planning on doing this for 1 year, okay, and you decided, listen, I'm going to buckle down and I'm going to do this for 1 year to see what I can actually make for it. Let's take a look at this. So $100 or 100 licenses over the course of a year, you're going to earn almost $5,000. Now let's say that you're going to get because we know that not all 100 are going to do this. We're going to put a fair number in. Let's say half of those people actually are going to do the same thing that you're doing here. So we're going to say 50. Okay, and let's say all 50 of those went out there and they did, let's say half of that, 25. Okay, now this is crazy, isn't it? So you're going to earn immediate income of almost $5,000, but look what your monthly income is going to be. It's going to be over $20,000 that's going to be coming in. Now, do you have this? Now, again, this is monthly. $20,000 a month. Do you have a plan set in place right now for 1 year to get your income to $20,000 a month? Well, you can see very simply that this is a process that can actually do that for you to actually begin to earn a substantial income through the Builderall platform. If you're an online network marketer, you need the tools anyway. These tools are amazing, and what you can actually do in building your business, you can use all of these things here to increase how you're actually going to reach people in being able to market this product to them. So here's a great product that not only can earn affiliate commissions, but turn those affiliate commissions into a substantial passive income. Great tool. So this is the process that I'm setting up now, and this is one that I'm going to be using to actually be able to do that. So if you want to grab the funnel that I'm actually using from Liam James K, that actually kind of set this thing up when this Builderall platform first came out. It's only been out for a little over a year or so, I think, now. But he's used this to actually, like I say, earn 6 figures in this, and you can see how it can be done if you're actually working this as a part-time as you're working your network marketing business. So guys, this is a great way to do that. Because you stuck around to the very end, I've got a bonus for you. I'm going to give you that sales funnel that actually is tied to Builderall, that's going to allow you to actually start earning your passive income through the Builderall platform. It was one that was given to me by Liam James K as I got started with this, and I'm going to pass that on to you. So you can find that link below this video in the description right there. get plugged into this and see how it can actually help you to build your business.
All right, guys, I hope you like this video. Hey, if you got some value in it, do me a big favor. Go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment below and tell me what passive income streams that you are using right now to build your business. Also, if you've got somebody that you know that can actually use this, go ahead and share this video with them. I'd appreciate it, and I know they would as well. Listen, make sure that you go ahead and click that link below to grab that free funnel, that bonus gift that I offered you before. And listen, I'm going to talk to you in the next video. Looking forward to hearing about your success stories. So take care. Bye now.